Welcome back. Yesterday, we talked about the importance of portfolio management. Today, we're going to get hands-on with one of the most powerful tools for doing just that, 3Commas. This platform is like a Swiss Army knife for crypto traders. It has a tool for just about everything. Let's take a look around. The first thing you need to do is connect your exchange account. 3Commas works by connecting to your existing exchange accounts, like Binance or Coinbase, via an API key. This is a secure way to let 3Commas trade on your behalf without giving them your password or the ability to withdraw your funds. Now that we're connected, let's check out the Smart Trade Terminal. This is where you can place trades with superpowers. For example, you can set a stop loss and a take profit at the same time. You can even set multiple take profit targets so you can sell off your position in pieces as the price goes up. My favorite feature is the trailing stop loss. This automatically moves your stop loss up as the price moves up, so you can lock in your profits while still letting your winners run. It's a brilliant way to manage your risk. This is where 3Commas really shines. With a DCA bot, you can automate your trading strategy. DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. The basic idea is to buy a little bit of an asset at a time to average out your price. A 3Commas DCA bot takes this to the next level. You can set it up to automatically buy more if the price drops, which lowers your average entry price and increases your chances of making a profit. We're going to go into more detail on how to set up a DCA bot in our next lesson, but for now, just know that this is a powerful tool for taking the emotion out of your trading and for capitalizing on market volatility. If you're not ready to create your own bots yet, you can check out the marketplace. This is where you can find signals and copy the trading bots of other, more experienced traders. You can see their performance history and choose a bot that fits your risk tolerance. 3Commas is an incredibly deep and powerful platform. For your Do Now project, you're going to get your account set up and connect your first exchange. This will get you ready for tomorrow when we'll build our very first trading bot. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the Bot Factory. Don't miss out on the latest crypto trading tips, market news, platform updates, and exclusive course content. Our newsletter keeps you informed and ahead of the market, delivered straight to your inbox. Visit news@makeittakeit.org to subscribe today and become part of our growing community of crypto traders.